Now this is the puff adder, Bettis arietans, and is one of the most dangerous snakes in South Africa, being very common and found almost everywhere in South Africa. They are highly venomous, having a very potent cytotoxic venom, which is cell, muscle, and nerve destroying, which basically causes necrosis. Now these snakes are ambush hunters, and they can stay in the same position for weeks to wait for passing prey. And they'll prey upon all sorts of small mammals like rodents, but also birds, lizards, and amphibians. And these guys will often use a luring method by flickering their tongue to lock all sorts of toads. Now these snakes rely so much on the camouflage that people sometimes even step on these snakes without them biting, as they don't want to expose themselves. Now usually puff adders that are moving about are usually the ones that are a little bit more dangerous, as they are vulnerable, so they have to huff and puff and strike if they have to defend themselves. But just an absolute beautiful animal, the puff adder. Have a look at that.